we are showcasing our reusable packaging solution for the e-commerce market. In the end, we created a box which can be reused up to 20 times more often than cardboard.
Through SoTecIn, Vertliner has shifted its attention towards the vineyard inspection industry, and we developed an autonomous UAV for disease detection in vineyards.
We are producing paper wrap. Paper wrap is the first solution that can replace the conventional bubble wrap one-to-one.
So we are showcasing today a smart and digitalized collection system for organic wastes.
We're showcasing our gateway to knitting on demand. And thanks to the SoTecIn program, we were able to build our first application, which is called the Knit1 application. And it's make sure that a brand can order a unique knitwear piece from one piece quantity within 1 week.
So SoTecIn Factory helped us to commercialize our solution, like see how it works on industrial scale. Before that, we have done only lab trials, and through SoTecIn we were able to do a commercial trial and see how it will work in the real life situations.
Well, SoTecIn helped us further develop the platform because at this point we are innovating. There is not a lot of traction in the market yet, so it mostly helped us with further development of the MVP and coming to the point that we can actually talk about SaaS projects.
So thanks to the SoTecIn Factor project, we were able to create our first proof of concept of this technology, bringing our idea into practice.
SoTecIn program gave us finances and helped to basically push us further and produce the final prototypes.
The SoTecIn program helped us to reach a very necessary technical milestone. We were able to automate our packaging system for the first time. And during the demonstrator project, we built the very first paste station, which reduces packaging time to less than 2 seconds.
The result that we achieve with SoTecIn is that it gives us clarity to measure the KPI for the pilot testing, and with their support we achieve good results for the pilot.
As SoTecIn, we were able to sign more than 30 LOIs, which the orders surpass already our next production capability. And the latest one was our real-life application in Tallinn, where we built a house and set more than 70 sensors to test the technical properties of our isolation panels, and they performed excellent.
We're very grateful for SoTecIn. It on the one hand gave us structure to really more rapidly achieve our goals in the period of the program. But secondly, thanks to the client workshops or the brand workshops that we did, we actually also met very interesting brands, some of whom we're collaborating with.
First and foremost, they helped us with the grant. So they gave us 100,000 euros to further develop a proposition, and mainly also to focus on the aspect of data. So we gather a lot of data about consumers repairing and about products that they repair, which for the brands that we work with is very valuable, because it's like a black box of data for them that they have no access to. So it helped us to, with the funding, to dive further into this topic and actually serve consumers and brands in a better way.
SoTecIn were tremendously helpful in bringing us to the stage we are now in supporting the development of the technology and also the guidance in helping us get partners involved.
It's a great opportunity to showcase our work, our product, but also what we developed during the SoTecIn Factory with our partner MC Sonae, the retailer here in Portugal, and to really show the power of ECGAI on that particular use case where we are looking into upcycling hundreds of thousands of tons of byproducts and waste across their entire supply chain.
So with the SoTecIn Factory, we got support to develop our product and to make it more easy for the consumers to understand and to understand better what are actually the needs from the industry.
With the help of SoTecIn, we got to develop this product out of the springs I showed you, which helped us to access whole another market, especially the wine and spirits industry.
It can help multiple ways. The one is to get to the next level and extend our software platform to be able to support multiple marketplaces. And as an example, we launched the organic food marketplace in Hungary, where we could help organic farmers in their sales activities.
The SoTecIn project facilitated a lot by mainly financing, apart from all the educational support that we took during the phase 1. Phase 2 was critical, allowing us to test the existing technology and existing pilots for a different feedstock in a different market that we were already had initially explored and we found super promising.
SoTecIn gave us the ability to invest in all of the things that we needed for the pilot project, and this is working really well, so thanks to the SoTecIn Factory.
Thanks to SoTecIn, we enhanced our systemic innovation approach thanks to the input of Metabolic, and we are really a systems innovator, connecting the land users to farmers with other data users from marketing, regional market makers and regional policy makers.
SoTecIn was instrumental for us to really understand how to think in terms of a deep impact and system change, and to understand what are the key elements of a process from an idea to an actual product.
Well, SoTecIn Factory supports us in many ways. First of all, in developing, of course, the application, enabling it to move from an MVP to something that is more operational. But let's say, what I will highlight is the fact of trying to understand how to create an impact for the people that are using the system, but also to other stakeholders.
We have been able to really concretize everything, really streamline things, focus, get inspiration, and actually succeed to do the MVP or MLP, minimum lovable product, doing validation, organizing workshops, all of this.
SoTecIn helped us also by accompanying us through several workshops and a pool of experts to help us scale and really demonstrate our innovation to industry leaders and manufacturers.
Apart from funding, of course, the main idea and the main concept, the main lesson learned from SoTecIn was the fact that we had the chance to build a totally new business concept because the company itself, the heart and the core of the company is on augmented reality. So we are a technology provider, and we had the chance through SoTecIn to use this specific technology in order to build a new business concept in a totally different domain, like a marketplace for fresh vegetables and fruits.
SoTecIn helped us with structuring our approach, helped us of course also with a lot of connections, like also today on the event, a lot of relevant startups where we also learn from how they do sales, how do they product development.
SoTecIn provided support in terms of coaching and in terms of networking, and also grant funding to mature our product. It was precisely timed for the needs of us to be able to launch into market.
So SoTec has been helping us with our knowledge and giving visibility to our digital platform.